Hello friends, today in this video I will tell you how can you change your Facebook profile picture. If you are a user of Facebook and you want to change your Facebook profile picture, so first of all log into your Facebook account. Into the Facebook account page, at the top of the screen click on your profile. Now into the profile page click on your photo. Now click upload photo. Now select the photo which you want to upload. Now edit the profile photo. And click save. Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe to our channel.